frequency table. Formation of frequency table. Now, first of all, you must be clear that what is a frequency table. ये माइक थोड़े माइक काइंडली बेटा माइक ऑन ऑफ कर ले, माइक अपने ऑफ कर ले.
वापस में ज्वाइन करो
बेटा, अपने ये डिस्कशन खत्म करें और माइक्स ऑफ कर ले. अच्छा, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल. सो फॉर्मेशन तो हम बाद में कहेंगे हाउ द फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल इज फॉर्म, बट बिफोर दिस वी मस्ट बी क्लियर दैट व्हाट इज frequency table. So it is actually a table in which the data is arranged according to their अच्छा, ये definition of देख ले बेटा. A table in which the data is arranged according to their frequencies. वो टेबल या टेबल जिसमें डेटा वैल्यूज को हम अरेंज करते हैं according to their frequency, उनके फ्रीक्वेंसी के बुनियाद पे. Now what is mean by frequency? फ्रीक्वेंसी है क्या? So frequency means the number of times the number of times a particular or a data value is appeared. A number of times, the number of times a data value, या इसको एल के बजाय अगर आप इसको इस तरह कर ले, that the number of times a data value appeared in a data set. If you have a data set and if the one data value has appeared one time, so we will call that its frequency is 1. If it has appeared 2 times, its frequency will be equal to 2, and so on. If it is 3, if it has appeared 3 times, so the frequency will be 3. समझ में आ रहा है ये बात बेटा आपको?
जी सर.
अच्छा, तो फ्रीक्वेंसी, अब वो फिजिक्स, डोंट कंफ्यूज इट विद द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ फिजिक्स में हम जो फ्रीक्वेंसी यूज करते हैं, द नंबर ऑफ साइकिल्स पर मिनट पर सेकंड. सो डोंट कंफ्यूज द टर्म फ्रीक्वेंसी विद दैट वन. So actually, in statistics, the frequency means how many times a data value is appeared in a particular data set. If I have a data set like 5, 6, 5, 7, 3, and 10. So here, if you are asked that what is the frequency of 5, that what is the frequency of 5 in this data set. So you will count that how many times the number 5 has been appeared. So we can count the number of times, how the number of times when the data value 5 has been appeared. So it has appeared 1 and 2 times. So the frequency of 5 in this case would be equal to 2. And what would be the frequency of 6? 6 की frequency क्या होगी? 6 की frequency क्या होगी? Yes, number 7, data value 7.
1 होगी क्योंकि 6 1 time आया है.
1 time आया है. Excellent. So when we distribute the data, when we arrange the data according to their frequencies, then this type of arrangement is called the frequency distribution. And normally this distribution is made in the tabulated form. So that is why the table or this distribution is called the frequency table. So now to make a frequency table, to make a frequency table, ये इस तरह कर लेते हैं बेटा. I don't think so that ما هم students دا موبایل ورکړه دا غم د سره کیږي. دا سر کوم the picture class, the next class alو نو زه د دې دا picture سند باندې په پیج باندې به باسم لیکم بای او هغه picture به تاسو سند کوم بیا هغه picture discuss کوم. I think it is quite hard. او ما ته کوم student ناس نه د باندې هم لګ را هم پکار دی کنه لکه چې هغه هم جز موبایل چې په یو ترتیب باندې نیول دي. So inshallah the ما خدای سے experiment کو خو I don't think that this experiment is that is successful. So inshallah in the next class we will try some other way to discuss these things.
Yes sir.
So okay beta, good luck and Allah Hafiz for today. Inshallah we will meet in the next class. Beta ye ध्यान रखें that your classes will be according to the timetable provided to you. So be present on time. Okay, yes. Allah.